Hello everybody. So last class আমি continuous function discuss কৰিছিলো কেইটামান প্ৰবলেম কৰিছিলো আকৌ এবাৰ আমি মনত পেলাব যত্ন কৰো continuous function কি আছিল আমি কৈছিলো যে continuous function means continuous at a point or continuous in or on an interval. So at a point a function is said to be continuous at a point if the limiting value of the function is equal to value of the function, that is if right hand limit is equal to left hand limit is equal to value of the function, then the function is said to be continuous at a particular point, provided the point is an interior point. If the point is not an interior point, suppose point is either initial point or terminal point, then one of the limits, either right hand limit or left hand limit, must be equal to value of the function. In case of initial point, right hand limit is equal to value of the function, then function is said to be right hand continuous. In case of terminal point, left hand limit is equal to value of the function, then also function is said to be continuous. This is called left hand continuity. Next আমি discuss কৰিছিলো continuity in an open interval. A function is said to be continuous in an open interval AB if the function is continuous at each and every point in the open interval AB. Okay. Next, continuity on a closed interval AB. A function is said to be continuous on a closed interval AB if the function is number 1 continuous in the open interval AB. Next, number 2 right hand continuous at the initial point and left hand continuous in terminal point. Finally, আমি continuous function or definition লিখিছিলো. A function is said to be continuous if it is continuous in its domain. Domain is nothing but domain is an interval or combination of some open intervals or closed intervals. So এখানে আমি পিছত ডিসকাস কৰিম. So আৰু এটা কৈছিলো আমি continuous function everywhere continuous. The function is said to be everywhere continuous if it is continuous for all real values of x. If it is continuous for all real values of x, then it is called everywhere continuous. If it is continuous in its domain, then the function is called continuous function. Okay, আমি আজি আকৌ example arm start কৰো. Eto suppose eta example number 5. So that the function fx equal to this, if x is not equal to 2, is equal to 5 if x equal to 2, is continuous at x equal to 2. We have to show that function is continuous at the point x equal to 2. Okay. Here fx equal to twice x square minus 3x minus 2 divided by x minus 2. If x is not equal to 2 is equal to 5 if x equal to 2. So যেতিয়া আমি লিমিট উলাব শিকিছিলো তেতিয়া আমি গম পাইছিলো যে ইয়াৰ লিমিট উলাব কাৰণে ফাৰ্স্ট আমি যিবোৰ ৰেশনাল ফাংচন থাকে ৰেশনাল ফাংচনটো আমি পাইলে সিম্পলেস্ট ফৰ্মত লৈ যাব লাগে সিম্পলেস্ট ফৰ্মত নিব কাৰণে মই কি কৰিলো ইয়াত নিউমাৰেটৰটো মিড টাৰ্ম ফেক্টৰাইজ কৰিলো mid term factorize কৰিলে ইয়াতে সোয়া x minus 2 ইয়াতে x minus 2 since here x is not equal to 2 x is not equal to 2 that means x minus 2 is not equal to 0. So it is a non-zero. This is non-zero factor. So non-zero factor যদি numerator denominator থাকে আমি তাক cancel out কৰি দিব পাৰো কাটি দিব পাৰো যদি কাটি দিও ultimately function টো এনেকুৱা হ'ব fx equal to twice x plus 1 if x is not equal to 2 is equal to 5 if x equal to 2. So আমি simplest form এটা পাই গলো. Okay, এতিয়া আমি টুত continuity discuss কৰিম. Here x is not equal to 2. So not equal to 2 means আমি x tends to 2. here x tends to 2 to আমি definition to এনেকা পাইছিল x tends to 2. X tends to 2 means x is almost equal to 2 but not equal to 2. So not equal to 2. So here can আমি direct limit ওলাব পাৰিম. So direct limit ওলাব কাৰণে limit x tends to 2. X tends to 2 হলে কি হ'ব? Function to হ'ব twice x plus 1. Twice x plus 1. So limiting value 5. Value of the function is already given. It is 5. Since limiting value is equal to value of the function, therefore function is continuous at the point x equal to 2. Continuous at the point x equal to 2. Okay. Next example is prove that fx equal to x minus modulus of x divided by x if x is not equal to 0. Is equal to 2 if x equal to 0. Is discontinuous at x equal to 0. We have to prove that function is not continuous at x equal to 0. 0 point continuous no hame prove korbo lage. First function to simplify korbo ami. Simplify korle so x is not equal to 2 here given fx equal to x minus modulus of x divided by x if x is not equal to 2 is equal to 2 if x equal to or not equal to 0, sorry, equal to 2 if x equal to 0. So modulus function or definition to kenuka asile amar etu asile modulus function modulus of x. Modulus of x equal to, from definition, this equal to x if x is greater than equal to 0 or equal to minus of x if x is less than 0. This is our modulus or definition. So here x is not equal to 0. X equal to not equal to 0 means either x is greater than 0 or x is less than 0. If x is greater than 0, then modulus of x is equal to x. If x is less than 0, then modulus of x equal to minus x. Okay. So ultimately it is also fx equal to x minus x, that is 0 divided by x equal to 0, and fx equal to x minus x, that is twice x by x equal to 2. So ultimately that is fx equal to 0 if x is greater than 0 is equal to 2 if x is less than 0 is equal to 2 if x is equal to 0. Now we have to discuss the continuity at the point x equal to 0. So first right hand limit x tends to 0 plus f of x, limit x tends to 0 plus, when x is greater than 0 then function is fx equal to 0, therefore is equal to 0, and when x is less than 0, when x is less than 0, then fx equal to 2. So value is 2. This is 2. And f of 0 is equal to 2. So here right hand limit is 0 and left hand limit is 2. So right hand limit is not equal to left hand limit. Therefore limit does not exist. Therefore f is discontinuous at the point x equal to 0. What type of discontinuity it is? What type of discontinuity hai? So limit jodi exist nokore tetiale ami agote koisilu je limit exist nokole, this is called ordinary discontinuity. Okay, another example is example number 7. So exam point of view prior to important problem eta generally ketiba exam ot ha dekha jay gorike tumaloke etu bhalke saba. Find the value of k so that fx equal to kx plus 1 if x is less than equal to 5 equal to 3x minus 5 if x is greater than 5 is continuous at x equal to 5. Is continuous at x equal to 5. That means we have to find the value of k. We have to find the value of k if the function is continuous at the point x equal to 5. So here fx equal to this. Now see, f is critical point. So critical point হোৱাৰ লগে লগে ইয়াত আমি if the function is continuous at the point x equal to 5 then right hand limit left hand limit value of the function equal হ'ব লাগিব critical point মই কৈছিলো critical point আমি right hand limit left hand limit আৰু value of the function ওলাব লাগে so here since f is continuous at the point x equal to 5 therefore limit x tends to 5 plus fx is equal to limit x tends to 5 minus fx is equal to f of x. That means right hand limit is equal to left hand limit is equal to value of the function. Kile hole to function is continuous at the point x equal to 5. So limit x tends to 5 plus when x is greater than 5. When x is greater than 5 then the function is 3x minus 5. 3x minus 5. And what limit x tends to 5 minus when x is less than 5 then the function is 3x plus 1. Therefore kx plus 1. And when x equal to 5 or x equal to 5 then function is this. Therefore k5 plus 1. So here the value limiting value to equal 10. Here limiting value to equal 5k plus 1. 5k plus 1. So duta equal is equal to 5k plus 1 is equal to 10. Therefore ultimately k is equal to this. So ama korisile for what value of k the function is continuous at the point x equal to 5. Therefore if k is equal to 9 by 5 function is continuous at the point x equal to 5. Next example number 8. Etu exam point of view pa etu eta important problem hoy. Etu eta important problem exam point of view pa. Here is what if the function fx equal to this 3ax plus b if x is strictly greater than 0 is equal to 11 if x equal to fx equal to 3ax plus b if x is greater than 1 is equal to 11 if x equal to 1 is equal to 5ax minus twice b if x is less than 1 is continuous at x equal to 1. Find the value of a and b. Find the value of a and b. We have to find the value of a and b. Okay. So here function is this. This is given function fx equal to 3ax plus b. Fx equal to 11 when x equal to 1. Fx equal to this when x is less than 1. Since the function is continuous at the point x equal to 1. 1 is the critical point. Turning point. Therefore, right hand limit is equal to left hand limit is equal to value of the function. That means limit x tends to 1 plus f of x is equal to limit x tends to 1 minus f of x is equal to f of 1. X tends to 1 plus when x is greater than 1 then the function is 3ax plus b. Therefore, this. When x is less than 1 then function is 5ax minus twice b. Therefore, limit x tends to 1 minus 5ax minus twice b. And f of 1 is equal to 11. So ultimately we have this equal to thai c plus b is equal to 5a minus twice b is equal to 11. So here the two equation komai ase. First equation is this and second equation is this. Now we have to solve the equation and find the value of a and b. That is value a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 2. So more nisinake jodi shortcut kora tetiale exam ot tumi out of 6 tumak marks dibo there 4 or maximum 5 4 or 5 full marks nidie kintu kele full marks nidie pisot rta koi lam nai etu direct moi jeneke likhisu tumi jodi exam ot teneke likha marks mane paba either 4 or 5 so tumalke solve koi dekhabo lagibo tumalko kaam tumi student hoy tumi dekhabo lagibo value to keneke pala tumi etu dekhabo lagibo no next aru eta tumi swa exam point of view pra aru eta bahut important problem etu for what value of lambda is the function defined by this continuous at x equal to 0. তাৰমানে ইয়াতে তোমাক কেইটা কথা কৈ আছে continuous at the point x equal to 0 continuous বুলি কৈছে তেতিয়া সুধিছে lambda value কি না না continuous তোমাক সুধিছে is the function defined by this continuous at x equal to 0 এটো কোৱেশ্চন সুধিছে তোমাক কত continuous হয় নেকি 0 তেতিয়া lambda value কি lambda value কাৰণে হি এটো 0 মানে continuous হয় নে নহয় সুধিছে ইয়াৰ লগত আৰু এটা এক্সন আছে what about the continuity at x equal to 1 maximum ভাল স্টুডেন্ট বিলাকে এই যিবু তুমি কোৱেশ্চনৰ এক্সটেনশন থাকে হেবু মিস কৰে পটককে ওপৰটো চাই আনসাৰ কমন দেখি পাৰাবলে কি তলৰ পাৰ্টটো নিলিখে তাৰ কাৰণে মাৰ্কস কাটা যায় যদি 6 মাৰ্কস থাকে ইয়াতে তো একদম ডাইৰেক্ট 5 টু নপয় কৰি পাবা এনে সোৱা এটা আমি কন্টিনিউটি এট দি পইণ্ট x ইকুৱেল টু 0 পাবৰ কাৰণে কি চাব লাগিব এটা 0 টু ইয়াৰ কি পইণ্ট ক্ৰিটিকেল পইণ্ট সো ক্ৰিটিকেল পইণ্ট হোৱাৰ কাৰণে মই ইয়াতে ৰাইট হ্যান্ড লিমিট ওলাইছাম লেফট হ্যান্ড লিমিট ওলাইছাম সো ৰাইট হ্যান্ড লিমিট x টেন্ডস টু 0 প্লাস f of x x টেন্ডস টু 0 প্লাস হলে ফাংশনটো কি হয় 4x plus 1 4x plus 1 so limiting by right hand limit 1 and left hand limit to কিমান হ'ব left hand limit left hand when x tends to 0 minus function is this and left hand limit is 0 so right hand limit is 1 and left hand limit is 0 that means right hand limit is not equal to left hand limit আৰু যেটা সোৱা 0 to কি হয় এই domain to complete interior point so here right hand limit is equal to left hand limit হবই লাগিব so limit to exist কৰে না right hand limit is not equal to left hand limit that means limit does not exist therefore f is not continuous at x equal to 0 so আগতে যদি আমাক খুদিলহেতেন is the function continuous at the point x equal to 0 আমি সিধাই কলহেতেন function is not continuous at the point x equal to 0 কিন্তু এটা কথা কিবা এটা আৰু এটা এক্সটেনশন লগাই থোৱা আছে for what value of lambda so যদি continuous নহয় এতে lambda টো লগত কোনো কামেই নাই তেতিয়া আমরা কম for every real value of lambda that means for every real value of lambda জি real value নোলোৱা কিয় ফাংশন তো কেতিয়াও 0 ত continuous নহয় এটো এক্সটেনশন পাৰ্টটো যেটো আমাৰ থাকি যায় জেনেৰেলি থাকি যায় at the point x equal to 1 it is 1.2 more কি হৈছিল ফাংশন to 1.2 1 is not a critical point 1 to ইয়াত আছে greater than 0 so ইয়াতে ফাংশন একো চেঞ্জ হোৱা নাই so আমি ইয়াতে কি কৰিম directly 1 ত আমি কি কৰিম limiting value লৈ লম limit x tends to 1 f of x limit x tends to 1 x tends to 1 means 1 to মই দেখাইছিলো তোমাক greater than 0 হয় ওটা ফাংশন টো এটো হ'ব so ultimately limit to এটো হৈ গল value of the function এটো হৈ গল so ইয়াতো সোয়া limiting value is equal to value of the function therefore f is continuous at the point x equal to 1 কিন্তু ইয়াতো কোনো lambda তো কোনো ইয়াত কিবা নাই so lambda to যদি ইয়াত একো কোনো রিলেশন নাই তেতিয়া হলে আমি কি কম for any real value of lambda ক্লিয়ার হৈছে না কথাটো নেক্সট আৰু এটা প্ৰবলেম সোয়া এটো এটা ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট প্ৰবলেম number 10 find the relation between a and b so that fx equal to this when x is less than equal to 3 fx equal to this when x is greater than 3 is continuous at x equal to 3 it continuous will কৰি দিছে তোমাক fx is continuous at the point x equal to 3 আমি এটো রিলেশন টো লাভ লাগে এই রিলেশন মানে তুমি ফাংশন রিলেশনত যিবু প্রবলেম পঢ়িছা তেনকা রিলেশনৰ কথা কোৱা নাই সাপোজ ইয়াতে মই যদি কওঁ a plus b is equal to 1 এটো মানে ক'ব it is the relation between a and b যদি মই ইয়াতে কওঁ twice a plus b is equal to 1 this is the relation between a and b twice a plus b is equal to 4 this is the relation between a and b twice a plus b square is equal to 4 this is the relation between a and b so আমি এনেকুৱাটা ইকুয়েশন এস্টাবলিশ কৰিব লাগে given condition তোমাক কি দি আছে given condition to দিয়া আছে যে function, this function is continuous at the point x equal to 3. So এটা মই ভালকে function to চাওঁ here fx equal to twice ax plus 1 when x is less than equal to 3 and bx plus 3 if x is greater than 3. So t2 কি হয় এটা মানে t2 critical point. So critical point হোৱাৰ কাৰণে এটি continuous হোক, continuous at the point x equal to 3. Critical point হোৱাৰ কাৰণে ইয়াতে মোক right hand left hand দুটা limit লাগিব. So here therefore right hand limit is equal to left hand limit is equal to value of the function. So ultimately limit x tends to 3 plus bx plus 3 is equal to limit x tends to 3 minus ax plus 1 is equal to f of 3. So ultimately go play আমি কি পালো finally go play no relation 3b minus 3a plus 2 which is the required relation.